Chime Credit Builder and the Discover Secured Credit Card both report account activity to the major credit bureaus, but neither company promises that your information will appear on your credit report faster than the other. The reporting timeline depends on when the issuer sends data and when each credit bureau updates your file. By the end of this video, you'll know how reporting works for both cards, why one person's update may appear sooner than another's, and which option makes more sense if your goal is building credit in 2026. Here's the direct answer. There is no verified evidence that Chime Credit Builder consistently reports faster than the Discover Secured Credit Card or vice versa. Well, both are designed to help eligible users build credit by reporting account activity to the major consumer credit bureaus. The difference is usually in how the products work, not how quickly the bureaus process the information. Let's start with Chime Credit Builder. It's a secured credit card that works with money you've moved into your Credit Builder account. Because you're spending funds you've already set aside. There's no traditional revolving credit limit in the same way many secured cards operate. After your activity is reported and processed by the credit bureaus, it may appear on your credit report during a future reporting cycle. Discover Secured works more like a traditional secured credit card. You provide a refundable security deposit, receive a credit limit based on that deposit, and use the card for purchases. Your payment history and account activity are then reported to the major credit bureaus as part of the normal reporting process. Here's where many people get confused. Reporting is only one step. After the card issuer sends your account information, each credit bureau still has to receive, process, and update your credit file. That means two people using the same card can see updates on different dates, even if they opened their accounts at nearly the same time. Take Alex as an example. He opens a Chime Credit Builder account and begins using it responsibly. John opens a Discover Secured card during the same week. Even if both issuers report account activity around the same period, their credit reports may update on different days, because each credit bureau follows its own processing schedule. The practical takeaway is to focus on habits you can control, instead of trying to find the card that reports a few days sooner. Make payments on time, keep your account in good standing, monitor your credit reports regularly, and give the reporting process enough time to complete before expecting changes to appear. The bottom line is simple. Neither Chime Credit Builder nor Discover Secured has a verified advantage when it comes to reporting speed. Both can be effective credit building tools when used responsibly. Choose the card that best matches your financial needs, use it consistently, and let positive payment history build over time. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other credit card comparisons.